It's too late.
I got sent here. It's too late. I'm afraid.
I don't want
that,
your excuses, Steak.
What are you talking? What excuses?
We
God-
found out.
You know.
We found out.
You know you did.
What the goddamn hell are you talking about?
Let me add the boss.
The boss? What is this? Some kind of organized crime? What's going on here? What do you mean? Let me add the boss.
Let me add the boss. He's gonna speak for the
Is he
first time.
farting into his mic?
Hey, don't be mean.
Sorry. Wait, he's gonna speak? Wait, okay. Okay, say something. Not. Say. No, say a word!